औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली अल्लाहुम्मा अफ़्तह अलैना हिकमतक व अंशुर रहमतक या ज़ल जलाली वल इकराम अल्लाहुम्मा इन्नी अस्अलुका इल्मन नाफ़िअन व अमलन मुतक़ब्बलन व रिज़्क़न तय्यिबा अल्लाहुम्मा अफ़नी फ़ी बदनी अल्लाहुम्मा अफ़नी फ़ी सम्मी अल्लाहुम्मा अफ़नी फ़ी बसरी ला इलाहा इल्ला अंत सुब्हानक इन्नी कुन्तु मिनज़ ज़ालिमीन रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा। Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, now let's find method of error detection. Why we use method of error detection? So that we can ensure that our data arrived at our destination without any error, without any change. So these are different questions that we have to go through in this chapter. Okay, why error checking methods are needed? Error checking method following data transmission: parity check, checksum, echo check. These are very important, these checks. Okay, according to exam point of view, IGCSE or GCE O level. Okay, now I am going to write answers over here and you have to match with your answer key. Hopefully you have shared your data with me. You have already shared. I will get back to you. Now before that, I am going to write the answers over here. So even parity being applied, because we are learning error checking methods. Even parity and odd parity, parity checking, parity check 2.2.2.2 parity check. So let's solve this activity. Error checking method activity 2.4. Find the parity bits for each of the following bytes. So its description is even parity being used, so we have to count even number of ones over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 number of ones are here, so we need to add 1 over here to make this even. Now second one is even parity is applied, so count number of ones: 1, 2, 3, 4, so put 0 here. The second one, even parity applied, so we need to find ones: 1, 2, 3 ones. We need to add 1 more over here to make it even. Now odd parity being used, so odd means we have to check number of ones, they are odd or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, they are even, so let's put 1 over here to make it odd. Odd parity being used: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 it's odd, so let's put 0. The leftmost bit is known as the parity bit. Even parity being used: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yes, 6. So let's put 0 here. So now odd parity being used, count number of ones: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So but it is odd, so we have to add 1 more over here to make it 7. So 7 is odd. So now odd parity being used: 1, 2, 3. Odd number 3 is odd, so let's put 0 over here. Okay, now even parity is being used: 1, 2, 3. So 3, so let's put 0 over here because 3 is a odd number, but even parity is used here. So in this case I have to correct this. So let's put 1 over here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let me put 1 here to make it even. 4. So now odd parity being used here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's put 0 here. Now this is answer key. Now you have to match with your answer. So let me check over here. G even parity used: 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1. Excellent. Okay, now even parity used: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Well done. Now let me check the last one. Odd parity: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. So this one, odd parity: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Excellent. Well done. Well done, Mariam. Okay, now next is next email. Okay, let me download this first and then check your work. Rotate. Okay, fine. The first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 4 and 0. Excellent. Now let me check this one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 because odd parity use. Well done. Last one is 0. Good. This one 1 even parity use. 1 2 3 and 4. Excellent. Well done. Good job, Kemal. Now Abdullah name. Where's Abdullah? Abdullah, wrong. Okay, now even parity. Abdullah, focus here. My screen is visible at your end or not?
It is visible.
Okay, now good. 1 2 3 4 5. Beta, number of 1 bits are 5 over here. So 5 is odd number, not even. Even numbers are completely divisible by 2. So we have to put 1 over here. Then even parity use 1 2 3 4 0. Fine. Even parity used 1 2 3. Beta, this is wrong, again wrong over here. So here you have to write 1 here. Make it 4 because it's even parity. 1 2 3 and 4. Odd parity 1 2 3 4 5. This one is correct. Odd parity 1 2 3 4 5 6. You make this even when you put 1 over here because we have to count here number of ones in this 1 byte of information. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 till here 5 means odd parity, so just put 0 over here. Even parity 1 2 3 4 5 6 0. Excellent. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 odd parity. Fine, correct. 1 2 and 3 put 0 over here. Again this one is wrong. Okay, even parity 1 2 3 3 even parity है तो बेटा you have to put 1 over here to make it 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 is odd, so in this case you have to put 0 here because odd parity. Concept clear, Abdullah? nahi?
Yes, sir.
Make necessary correction. Okay ji, well done बच्चों. Okay, Mariam, Abel, Abdullah nahi. Now heading towards the next topic. If byte has been transmitted computer A to B and even parity is used, an error would be flagged. If the byte now had an odd number 1 bits at the receiver end, for example, assuming the even parity being used, byte being sent 1 2 3 4, put 0 here, it's even parity. Now by being received, we have received here what? I'm sending you this information, but you are receiving this one. So it's what? 1 2 3 0. Because now look here, I am sending you even parity, but what you are receiving is odd. It means that there is a error in our data transmission. Look here, which information is changed, which bit is changed. This is correct, this one is correct, this one is correct, this is the same, but here is error. So error is on in this bit 1 2 3 4 5. On bit number 5 there is error. This one is correct, this one is same, this one is same. So now in this case the byte received has 3 1 bits, which means that it now has odd parity. This becomes the odd parity. Look here, 1 2 3. Okay, now while the sender byte was using even parity, look here, even parity applied over here. But here we are receiving what? The odd one. It means there is a transmission error over here. We are sending even parity, but what we are receiving is odd parity. This means an error has occurred during the transmission of the byte. The error is detected by the recipient computer. Receiver has detected this problem when it will match the sender data with the receiver data. How the error is detected by the recipient computer recalculating the parity of the byte sent. If even parity had been agreed between sender and receiver, this is very important. When you guys have agreed about this agreement, we will use even parity, and this was our agreement between sender and receiver, then change in parity in the received byte indicates that the transmission error has occurred. Till here, any question or confusion? If there is no confusion, then we have to go for this activity. Activity 2.5, error checking method. So now, which of the following received byte indicates error has occurred following data transmission? So even parity being used, so let's check that. Even number of ones, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the same way you have to find out the errors in this data transmission. In each case, in question 1, where an error occurred, can you work out which bit in the byte was changed during the data transmission? Okay, now you have 5 minutes to locate the error in this activity 2.5. Do it now.